Top 5 Best Table Saw for Beginners. Number 5. DeWalt DWE7491RS 10-inch Table Saw. DeWalt DWE7491RS is another fantastic option for beginners who want a high-performing table saw without the bulk. With a 10-inch blade and a powerful 15-amp motor, this saw is equipped to handle a wide range of woodworking tasks, from ripping hardwoods to cutting pressure-treated lumber. The 32.5-inch rip capacity to the right of the blade provides ample space for ripping larger materials like shelving and trim. The rack and pinion telescoping fence system makes fence adjustments fast and accurate, ensuring precise cuts even for beginners. One of the most convenient features is the rolling stand, which allows for easy setup and breakdown, as well as portability across job sites. The stand's large heavy-duty wheels make it easy to transport over rough terrain or up steps. With a depth of cut of 3 1/8 of an inch at 90 degrees and 2 1/4 of an inch at 45 degrees, this saw can handle various woodworking applications, from small DIY projects to larger professional tasks. The onboard storage system keeps all necessary tools, such as the push stick, miter gauge, and guard, within easy reach. For beginners who want a powerful, reliable, and portable table saw, the DeWalt DWE7491RS is a top-tier option. Coming in number 4, Skil TS630700 15-amp 10-inch portable Jobsite table saw. Skil's TS630700 is a beginner-friendly table saw that balances power and portability, making it ideal for small workshops or job sites. The 15-amp motor delivers enough power to easily rip through hardwoods, while the rack and pinion fence rails ensure smooth, fast, and accurate fence adjustments, perfect for users who are still learning the ropes. The integrated folding stand is one of the standout features, providing easy setup, portability, and convenient storage. For those focused on cleanliness in their workspace, the dust port elbow redirects dust to a container for easy cleanup. The parallel blade alignment feature ensures that the blade stays perfectly aligned with the rip fence and miter slot, giving you precise, accurate cuts every time. This saw also has a 4x4 cutting capacity, allowing you to cut material up to 4x4 at 90 degrees, and a bevel capacity of 2 to 47 degrees for angled cuts. The quick-release lever simplifies the process of switching between these cuts. For beginners looking for an affordable, versatile, and easy-to-use saw, the Skil TS630700 is an excellent choice. Coming in number 3, Rockwell RK7323 BladeRunner X2 Portable Tabletop Saw. Rockwell RK7323 BladeRunner X2 is perfect for beginners who need a versatile, portable table saw without the hassle of a full-size machine. This saw is designed for easy transportation, weighing just 15 pounds and featuring a built-in carry handle. It's ideal for contractors or DIY enthusiasts who need to make quick cuts on the go. Despite its small size, this table saw delivers the cutting power of a full-sized saw. The standard guard and riving knife system allow for rip, cross, scroll, and miter cuts, giving you the flexibility to work on a variety of projects. One of the best features for beginners is the tool-less blade change system, which makes switching between blades quick and easy. The saw comes with 5 different blades that can cut through wood, ceramic tile, plastic, aluminum, and metal, making it incredibly versatile. Additionally, the adjustable miter gauge allows for precise 0 to 60 degrees miter cuts, ideal for woodworking projects that require accuracy. With onboard storage for accessories and a safety switch to prevent accidental starts, the BladeRunner X2 is a convenient and safe option for beginners who want portability and performance in one package. Coming in number 2, Skil SPT99T01 Portable Worm Drive Table Saw. If you're seeking power in a portable package, the Skil SPT99T01 is an outstanding option. Its legendary worm drive gearing ensures maximum torque for even the most demanding ripping applications. Precision is key for beginner woodworkers, and the rack and pinion system on this saw makes fence adjustments smooth and accurate, so every cut is precise. With a compact and lightweight design, this table saw is easy to move around job sites without compromising on performance. Despite its small footprint, it offers a ripping capacity of 25 inches and can cut up to 2 5/8 of an inch deep, making it versatile enough for a wide range of tasks. The durable, all-metal construction guarantees longevity, making this saw a solid investment for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. One of the standout features is the patented dual-field motor, which stays cooler for longer run times, allowing users to work harder without worrying about overheating. Overall, The Skil SPT99T01 is a fantastic choice for beginners who need a powerful, portable, and durable table saw to take on various woodworking tasks. Coming in number 1. DeWalt DWE7485 Table Saw for Jobsites. Compact and robust, the DeWalt DWE7485 is an excellent pick for beginners who want a versatile and powerful tool. Its compact design conserves storage space and simplifies transportation, making it easy to move around job sites or workshops. The rack and pinion telescoping rails allow for quick, smooth adjustments to ensure accurate cuts, ideal for any novice woodworker. With a professional-grade 24.5-inch rip capacity, this table saw can easily rip 4x8 sheets of plywood or OSB, making it a great option for larger projects. Another noteworthy feature is the Site Pro modular guarding system, which allows tool-free adjustments of the guarding for enhanced safety. The power loss reset feature prevents the saw from accidentally restarting after a power disruption. Additionally, onboard storage ensures that essential accessories like the guard, fence, and miter gauge are always within reach. The 15-amp, 5,800 RPM motor packs enough power to handle most applications, while the rack and pinion fence offers fast, accurate adjustments. For stability, the included DWE7451 table saw stand features heavy-duty tube steel construction that can handle the stress of demanding tasks. This saw is perfect for beginners needing a compact, powerful, and easy-to-use machine with plenty of professional features.